Okay, so what I'm going to do here is set up an email address in Outlook. So this is the way to do it. First of all, I want to go into my account. So I'm just going to click onto here. I'm going to add an account. This one here was called test email. Okay, I'm going to do that. They're going to let it set me up manually. This is check that's the correct one. Yeah. Then what it's going to do is ask us which one we want to go for IMAP. So the server settings are this 1-1956, sorry, 1959, and then it's .pac.pwhl.uk. Right, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come down to here, paste that in. The top port here is 993. Second one is 465. I'm going to set both of these to TLS, and then I'm going to just press OK, and then it's going to ask me for the password. And then if I get the password right, you'll get this success message. I'm not going to add any other additional things up there here too. What I want to do is test this email here. So Microsoft sends a test message or a test email. That's fine, but I do also want to do a new mail here. From test email here to 2, I'm going to say my Gmail address. I'm going to say a test message from test email. I'm going to say test email here. How are you? So we want to see if this thing sends and receives. Okay, so I'm going to send it to my Gmail. Here we go. So now what I have to do is go to my Gmail, log into that, and just have a look. So there's my test email. Yeah, test. How are you? I'm going to reply. I'm going to say great, thanks. Seb Gates. Send it back. So that email is now sent. Let's go back to Outlook. What we might have to do is refresh mailbox, and you see I've got one unread message. There it is. So a test message. Great, thanks, Seb. So that's how you set up an Outlook mail account to send and receive email from my server.